In Will County today, testimony continued in the trial of a Plainfield man accused of killing a 6-year-old Palestinian boy. Today, jurors watched body camera video that showed Joseph Shuba talking about the crime. NBC5's Christian Farr was in court today, and we want to warn you, the details of this case are graphic.
At the Will County Courthouse this afternoon, prosecutors wrapped up their case against Joseph Shuba, who is facing first-degree and hate crime charges in the death of 6-year-old Wadi Al-Fayoume. The prosecution's last witness was the Will County Sheriff's deputy who transported Shuba from the hospital to the police station on the day of the murder. Prosecutors played the deputy's video from inside the cruiser, where you can hear Shuba say, "I can't believe all the protests with people supporting the PLO," and compared those people to Nazis.
For possible stabbings at 16201 South Lincoln Highway, 16201 on Lincoln Highway.
Yesterday, Chuba's ex-wife, Mary Connor, testified that in the week leading up to the stabbings, Chuba was outraged about the war between Israel and Hamas, telling the jury he wanted mother and son to move out of their Plainfield home. On video, you can hear Chuba say, "They would not leave. I begged her to get out for 3 days. He went on to say, "I was afraid for my life. I was afraid for my wife," stating that he had no clue Wadi and his mother were Muslim. Earlier, 2 forensic experts testified. One of those witnesses, a fingerprint expert from the Northeastern Illinois Regional Crime Lab, testified about handling the bloody knife discovered at the Plainfield home. The other expert testified that no prints had been found on the knife, and on cross-examination by the defense, concluded that there was no proof that the knife had been wiped down by anyone. A DNA expert from the same agency testified that blood from Chuba, Wadi, and Wadi's mother was found on the knife used in the attack. This morning, a forensic pathologist testified about the nearly 30 stab wounds that the 6-year-old suffered, and another showed crime scene photos to the jury. Closing arguments should happen on Friday. In Joliet, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.